Friendship is not always as innocent as it looks. There are powerful hidden techniques that can make anyone gravitate toward you without a second thought. Today, we're diving into 7 dark psychological tactics that can effortlessly pull people into your orbit. These are not just tricks, they're game changers. Stay with us, and you'll never see making friends the same way again. Trick number 1, the Zeigarnik effect. The Zeigarnik effect is a psychological phenomenon where people remember unfinished tasks better than completed ones. This creates a sense of anticipation and curiosity, driving them to seek closure. For example, starting a story but leaving it incomplete during a conversation triggers the Zeigarnik effect, making the other person more engaged and invested in your friendship. This unfinished business keeps you on their mind, subtly strengthening the connection and making them want to continue interacting with you. Trick number 2, dual-level messaging. Dual-level messaging involves communicating on 2 levels simultaneously, one overt and one covert. This technique allows you to convey a direct message while subtly influencing underlying emotions or thoughts. For example, during a conversation, you might compliment someone's effort, overt, while hinting at their potential for more significant achievements, covert. This layered communication plants deeper ideas in their minds, making them feel understood and appreciated, strengthening your bond and subtly guiding their behavior in your favor. Trick number 3, silent echo. Silent echo is a technique where you subtly mirror someone's thoughts or feelings without explicitly stating them. This creates a sense of deep connection and understanding. For example, if someone mentions they're stressed about a project, you might respond with a thoughtful pause or a gentle nod, conveying empathy without words. This silent acknowledgement echoes their emotions, making them feel heard and valued. The unspoken connection strengthens trust and makes them more inclined to confide in you. Trick number 4, expectation escalation. Expectation escalation is the art of gradually increasing the demands or expectations placed on someone, leading them to fulfill higher goals without realizing it. You build trust and confidence by setting small, easily achievable expectations. For example, you might ask a friend for a small favor, then gradually increase the complexity of your requests. As they succeed, they become more invested in meeting your elevated expectations, reinforcing their commitment to the relationship and making them more likely to comply with future requests. Trick number 5, the disarming smile. The disarming smile is a subtle yet powerful tool that instantly lowers defenses and fosters trust. A genuine smile can soften even the most skeptical person, making them more open to your influence. For example, during a tense negotiation, offering a sincere smile at the right moment can ease tension and shift the atmosphere. This small gesture creates a sense of warmth and approachability, encouraging the other person to engage more positively and agreeably, making it easier to guide the interaction in your favor. Trick number 6, invisible support. Invisible support involves helping others in ways that aren't immediately obvious, creating a strong bond without overt recognition. By offering subtle assistance, like quietly fixing a mistake or smoothing out a problem without drawing attention, you build trust and loyalty. For example, if a friend is struggling with a task, you might discreetly handle a small part of it, allowing them to succeed without realizing your involvement. This creates a sense of reliance and deepens the connection, making them more inclined to value your friendship. Trick number 7, the shadow agreement. The shadow agreement involves subtly guiding someone to agree with you without directly asking for their approval. This technique works by framing your ideas in a way that aligns with their existing beliefs or desires, making them feel like they've come to the same conclusion on their own. For example, in a group discussion, you might hint at a solution that benefits you, allowing others to suggest it as their idea. This silent consensus builds cooperation and ensures they're more likely to support you in future decisions. Now that you've learned these psychological tricks, you can use them to build connections effortlessly. With great power comes great responsibility, so use them wisely. If this video gave you a new perspective, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into mastering the mind. Here's a question. Have you ever used one of these tricks? Or has someone used one on you? Drop your story in the comments. I can't wait to hear about it.